I know you guys have seen this Ram before. 2014 Ram, belongs to Furland York. It came in completely stock. We hammered it on the ground with Fat Fab's front kit, full custom 5-link in the back. We made from scratch. It's got Slam Specialties bags all the way around. We narrowed the rear end about 14 inches. It's got Raceline 26 by 12s on it in the rear, and the 26 by 9s in the front, and it's got a ton of work to it. We had some obstacles with this sucker, one involving a stuck injector where the motor hydro-locked on us and washed out a cylinder and threw a rod to the side of the block. So we tossed a like 30,000 mile Hemi in this sucker, and now she drives and runs perfect, so she's ready to go home and let him put a little couple touches on it. So another one's on, guys, and we're getting the shop pretty cleared out. About hopefully soon get some of these big projects we've had lurking around out of here, and we'll be starting some new ones, and we're excited to show you guys. What's up, guys? So here behind me, we got a 73 Impala that we bagged the back of. It's on 30-inch Ashanti forged wheels. We did a full rear air ride system on it with AccuAir VX2 block. It just controls the rear with a Vire compressor. It has a LS swap that's cam, got a bunch of nasty little things done to it. And then over the last year, I've just been helping them do some little stuff to it. We made some new bumper mounts, and we just made some rear bumper mounts to flush mount the bumper. So come check it out.
What's up, guys? This is a 99 Ranger we've been working on. Been here for a while. We did the fuel cell mount a while ago, and we just put a VU4 block with AccuAir switch speed right there. It's just on a switch right now because there's no nothing in here. Doesn't run, no ignition, but it does go up and down now. Body drop 99 Ranger on 22-inch Raceline wheels. Got an old dash in it.
So today is hauling junk Friday. Gave Cordog these wheels last week. Polished some suckers up. Sick bumper. Looks a lot better in camera, guys. Some guy told me this is exactly what he's looking for, so I sold it to him. So total value, $400. Couple $100. I won't hurt Tim's feeling, and about $200 in that truck. on another episode of What the Hell Are We Hauling on Friday. Got the old flatbed hooked up, taking this old girl back to where she lives. Got CJ airing up the tires. Nice little flush bumper. She's going home. What's up, guys? So this is my personal truck, or one of my personal trucks. It's a 98 S10. I traditional body dropped in a shed about 10 years ago, maybe 12 years ago. I got like early on Michigan Metalworks control arms. We ended up swapping the uppers later. But suicide doors, 5-link, like old stuff, man. Had this thing a while. I sold it to a kid when I found out my wife was pregnant. I never got to fully finish it. I just needed paint at that point, and I decided I wanted it back over and over. I tried buying it back right after, not long after I sold it. Couldn't find it. Later last year, I seen it on Facebook Marketplace. I knew I had to have it, so I bought it back, stripped it down, put these race lines on it, got the body all stripped down, and got some of the inside coated and stuff, getting it ready for paint. I got full interior already for it. I got a 54 dash that I sectioned for it, and it's headed over to Shane Schufeld's house. He's going to get this thing ready to spray some color on it, so hopefully in the next couple months we can get this thing painted and take it out to some shows and do a fat burnout with this sick 2.2 liter, the Cavi intake swap, which is what I'm famous for.